Hello everyone, welcome back to Rpa Automation, my YouTube channel. And today's video we are going to see what is document automation in Automation Anywhere, or how we can create code for document extraction purpose using Automation Anywhere. Nowadays you can see guys, company is demanded like we need RPA developer which is having document automation knowledge or document extraction knowledge. So we can see in today's video how we can extract document using automation anywhere. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to log in our automation anywhere, and uh, and guys, you need to create learning instance in automation anywhere. If you want to extract data from the document, for that you need to create a learning instance. So in today's video, we are going to see how to create learning instance, and we need to train our learning instance, guys. So we have to make another video on that, how to train learning instance. In today's video, we just going through how to create learning instance for the extraction of document. So first of all, we need to uh, click on create a learning instance, and here we need to give some specific name, and description is optional field, and you need to select your document type like either is be invoice or user defined. So you need to select your document automation. Here you can choose your language also, and click on next button. So you can see here some field is reflected by default. So these fields might be available in your document or your invoice. So if you want to use this field, you can click on create. If you want to don't use this field, just simply uncheck this box and add a field. You need to click for your, if you want to add some fields extra. So here you need to give your field name like I am going to use invoice number, and field level is same. And here confidence level might be help to extract your document field. If you increase your confidence, they are help to extract this field using this increasing this confidence. So you must have to put your confidence level in between 70 to 80. So this will be help us to extract document. And here you need to choose your data type, either is text, number, date, and address. This field you need to select from here. And here you can use your pattern like using, we can use a regular expression for the special extraction like number, text, and require. If you want to require this field, select this button. And if you don't want to require like optional, so you need to select this option. And alias is like your duplicate name of field, like your invoice number might be available in your document like this, invoice hash, like this might, or this might be available in this format also, invoice number, like this. Or you can say this format also available, invoice dot number, like this. So this is a duplicate name of your field. You can give any alias depending you are the depending upon your requirement. And simply you need to create this button. Then we are done with our learning instance. And last, you need to for the extraction purpose, you need to click on process. And here we can select your which document you have to extract. This path you need to select here, and here we can view where we can store our output data, like extracted data, where we can save. This path we need to give here, and we are done with our learning instance. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And we are going to make more video on RPA tutorial, interview question practice, and RPA interview, Power Automate, UiPath, Automation Anywhere interview questions. So please subscribe RPA Automation channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out any update.